Alright, so this is right down by the shoreline. You really can't see too much. We're honoring Yemaya, honoring the Great Earth Mother, the Great Ocean Mother. Full moon in all her glory. And the beach is popping. Everyone's on the boardwalk having fun. There's a Alegria Hotel. Just one of the places I may end up living in. You know, it's time to manifest the dreams. Anyway, let's get back. Full moon blessing to everyone on YouTube, and blessing our soldiers out there and serving abroad away from their families. Blessing our law enforcement and emergency personnel. Doctors, nurses, teachers, priests, all of the people that, you know, we take for granted. Yes, indeed. I'm getting closer to the water now. That's well, you can't really see her, but my sister's in the corner off to the left there. Yep. Why do we worry? I'm not worrying anymore. I have all that I need in Mother Nature.